Emma, and I've been doing the bag making course here.
I'm Jeanette, and I've also been doing the beginner's bag coat.
So first off, what made you decide to join this workshop?
Well, for me, I'd never made anything like that before. I've never used a sewing machine before. But when I saw it and seen that it was for ladies, and because I'm at home most of the time with my eldest, who's I'm his carer, I thought this would be something I could do for me. So I thought I'd give it a go.
Great. What about you then?
My inspiration was it was Emma that told me about it, and I have sewn in the past, but I'd lost my confidence. So coming and enrolling on the course was a big thing for me, really. It's really boosted my confidence again, and because I have sewn in the past, I'm feeling really happy and quite confident doing it all now.
Good.
But I've never made bags before.
Wow, you've been amazing on the course. But I'm coming back to you, Emma, because I heard that you've never used a machine before, but the bags you're making, seriously, they're saleable bags. They are really, really good. What would you have to say to that?
I'd say to anybody who's not done it before, just give it a go. I now wish I'd done it years ago. I've been making things at home on my own. I made this, and there's so much information out there on YouTube. Janet, who runs the course, was amazing. I just spent 1 week just practicing on the sewing machine, and that's all I did for 1 week. And it really has inspired me. I love it now. It's given me a real big confidence boost as well.
Great.
Janet was lovely. The whole atmosphere in the centre makes you feel welcome, makes you feel wanted and cared for. The tutorials are brilliant, easy to follow. I would recommend it to anybody, really, whether you've sewn or not. It gives you a new sense of self-worth.
Thank you very much for sharing your experience with us, and I hope that this will inspire other ladies to come out and join and experience it for themselves. So thank you. I didn't keep you so long because you're moving on to the advanced class today, isn't it?
We are, yes. We've got a new bag to make. I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what you create, and hopefully we'll come back and share it with you viewers. Thank you, and have a lovely day.